Hi, I'm dgerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, there's no demo like a rigged demo. The AI video models have been coming fast. We had Google's Veo 3 last year, which took Veo 2 and added sound. We had OpenAI's Sora 2, which added sound as well. And now we have ByteDance's Seedance 2, which is getting promoted hard. Our good friend Aron Peterson of Shikunen Studio took Veo 3 to pieces last year in a 4-part series you should all watch. I'll link it in the show notes. What we saw there was a video generator that could barely keep consistent over 7 or 8 seconds, and it could not take directions. This random MPEG dispenser was absolutely not usable for professional work. The Veo series was popular, and a lot of you asked for a follow-up doing Sora 2. Aron decided not to do that to himself a second time, but he's continued to follow and test the video generators, and they haven't actually improved. But every time there's a ton of hype that this is the great one. Actors and directors are finished. You just need to put in a prompt. It'll make a film for you. But it's just not true. Finally, Aron got very sick of the flood of promo for Seedance, and in particular one famous clip of Tom Cruise and Brad Pitt fighting. Rory Robinson, who has listed himself on Twitter as an Irish filmmaker, posted this clip to Twitter. Quote, "This was a 2-line prompt in Seedance 2. If the Hollywood is cooked guys are right, maybe the Hollywood is cooked guys are cooked too. I don't know." Unquote. Here's the clip. This went huge. Hollywood was outraged. Studios called on ByteDance's video generator to be shut down. Aron Peterson had his doubts. He went investigating. Quote, "I was pretty sure what we were looking at was a bog-standard video-to-video workflow with image references of Tom Cruise and Brad Pitt provided for face replacement and consistency. I hopped over to Seedance's website, and it only took 10 seconds to find green screen footage of 2 stuntmen performing the same fight choreography we see in the Cruise vs. Pitt scene. Seedance had used the green screen footage for a different demo, this time using a prompt for an anime-style fight scene." Unquote. Whoever made the Cruise-Pitt video did not generate it from nothing. They did a face swap, an older AI trick that's now a standard CGI effect, because it works predictably. Note that in the video, they started with a studio, stuntmen, a choreographer, a crew. You can't just make this at the press of a button. It takes time and money and skilled performers, like making a film does. Aron did a video to illustrate all this. Podcast listeners, I've put the link in the show notes. You'll see the fake Cruise-Pitt footage and some of the green screen guys as an inset in the corner. There were multiple green screen shots. This is just one of those original scenes. Aron says in the blog, quote, "Was the input really just a 2-line prompt? Was it actually 2 lines, green screen video footage, and face references too? The evidence appears to show that stuntmen were filmed from several angles, that a clip had to be generated for every angle, and then finally, all clips were stitched together for marketing." Unquote. Aron also told me yesterday that the site isn't accessible and users can only log in with the Chinese Douyin user ID. Perhaps the Irish filmmaker was in China when he logged into Seedance. This sort of rigged demo is standard. The AI video generators have not become any more consistent, predictable, or usable for real work. in the past 2 years. So a favorite way to make a demo is to do just this. Take existing footage, run it through AI processing for that diffusion model look, and tell everyone you just put in a prompt, and out popped the new Mission Impossible, or Mission Really Not Possible. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI, and particular thanks to Aron for subjecting himself to the worst AI video ever, yet again. Send this episode to everyone you know who fell for the Cruise-Pitt clip. Hit like and subscribe on YouTube, leave a nice review in your podcast app, and if Pivot to AI brings you joy, put $5 into the Patreon linked in the show notes. It really helps us keep doing this. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.